Welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about DeFi Composite Index on Binance Futures. It is a perpetual contract that you can trade up to 50x leverage. Please don't use 50x leverage. And I'm sure you heard it all the time, DeFi this, DeFi that. What the hell is DeFi? So DeFi stands for decentralized finance. It's basically financial applications that are being developed on the blockchain. And it can be in many different forms. So for example, creating monetary banking services, P2P transactions, lending, borrowing platforms, decentralized exchanges, and so on. And if you're interested, you can learn more here on the Binance Academy, on the Binance Exchange website. Okay, very cool. But what is an index? An index is like the Nasdaq. So for example, Nasdaq is a index of the top 100 companies related to technology in the US. So it is a composite with the top 100 performing companies in this sector. On the DeFi Composite Index, we have a similar thing. So if you want to know more, just click here about DeFi Composition Index. So here it explains how it's added and how it changes over time, the index calculation. But for our intents and purposes, we just want to know how it is today. So here we have the price index since its beginning. So it was created last year, and you can see here the daily chart. But the most importantly, here you can see the weight of each crypto that is included. So all of these are DeFi projects. And the projects with the highest weight are usually the most successful ones. So for example, Luna with 14%, Link with 9%, or Uniswap with 7%. So these are the top three, I believe, but all of these are included in the composite. All right, that's very nice, but why would I just not buy on spot each one of these? Well, first of all, you could buy spot, but imagine buying each one of these, I don't know, 20, 30 projects, I have no idea how many there are here. Imagine buying them one by one. It's going to be a nightmare to manage, to trade, and if you use the DeFi Composite Index, it's already done for you. All you have to do is buy one product. So instead of buying 30, 40 different coins, you just buy one. So that makes it very convenient. But that's not all. So it kind of reduces your risk. It might reduce the probability of huge gains, but not necessarily. For example, if we see the chart here, it was below 400 and the maximum was almost 4,000. So that's a 10x in just a few months. That's like 6 months from here all the way to here. So you can still make a lot of gains, but reducing that risk at the same time. Now, it is very volatile. Still, it is crypto, just a basket of cryptocurrencies instead of just one. And it is of a specific sector. I think it's very cool, and I think Binance should do more of these indexes for different sectors of the crypto economy. So here's the actual trading page. It's just like any other coin that you're trading on the USD futures. So it is DeFiUSDT. It's a perpetual contract, and here's the leverage. I would suggest reducing that leverage, maybe 10, maybe 5. Depends on your strategy, of course. But the cool thing is that you can hedge your bets. So for example, today Bitcoin fell 9%, and DeFi, the composite, is falling 18%. So let's say that over here you saw that DeFi was maybe overhyped, overvalued, or you just think that the whole market is going to fall. And usually when that happens, Bitcoin tends to fall less. The altcoins tend to fall more. So using this concept, we could, for example, long Bitcoin and short the DeFi. What we would win with the short of DeFi will be higher than what we lose on the Bitcoin long. So there are many different strategies that you could use. You could trade one coin, for example, Luna. If you think Luna will outperform the rest, you can long Luna and short DeFi. So at least you are protected. If the market goes down, at least you don't lose as much. It's a way to reduce your risk. And the final use case would be to just analyze how it is compared to the other sectors in the crypto space. Sometimes it can outperform, sometimes it can underperform the market, and you can use this data to compare to other projects, to other sectors, and see if it's, well, maybe this is undervalued, maybe this is overvalued. Or you can simply just trade the whole index because you think, well, I think everything's going down. I just want to short many coins on DeFi. So instead of having 30 different positions, you just short one, and the effect will be the same. Now, remembering this is a perpetual contract, so we have the funding every 8 hours. I already have a full video about funding, so if you want to know more about funding specifically, you can go to my YouTube channel and search for that. By the way, if you still don't have a Binance account, you can sign up using the link in the description to get 10% off your Binance trading fees for life on the spot market and 10% off the Binance futures trading fees for 30 days. So make sure you use the link when you sign up to get this bonus, and I will see you in the next Binance tutorial.